Obaseki strengthens security architecture, donate 50 patrol vehicles, 60 motorcycles to operatives. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don present 50 patrol vehicles and 60 motorbikes to security agencies take further strengthen the capacity of security operatives take tackle crime and criminality for the state. Obaseki hand over the vehicles to security operatives small time after the monthly Security Council meeting for the State Command and Control Center for Benin.
Today we are formally handing over the first batch of vehicles to sustain our security network in Edo State. These are made up of 50 vehicles. There are patrol vans, there are Hilux vans, 60 motorbikes for patrols. This will be distributed to the security networks, the vigilante networks, the police, the road safety people, so that we can strengthen the response. Just strengthen the logistics for our security response. We also have some ambulances that will be made available for emergency medical response too.
Obaseki tok say all federal security operatives and the state vigilante network go represent for the new command and control center. Edo State Police Commissioner Philip Ogbadu, as they speak for the center, tok say the state government don't do their part as them set up the facility. The security agency go do their part, provide manpower, take ensure the security of lives and property of federal citizens.
The state government has set up this. I think the state government has enough resources to sustain it, and we don't doubt them. When you talk about the command and control center, it's different from the normal individual services. So this is a state affair, and they have put up the structure, put up the facility, put up the equipment, put up personnel and everything. So we don't doubt them in terms of infrastructure or supporting services. Where we'll provide the personnel, we'll provide the people that need to assess and give intelligent interpretation of what is happening live, and those that will respond on the ground. The base is going to be here, and they operate from here. It's not that they're going to operate from the various divisions or agencies.
From Benin, Osato Ame Ogbeide for TMC News.